Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to see who viewed your Facebook story, not friends. Suppose you have posted a story and you just want to know who have posted this, who have seen this, but there's something that have caught your eyes that in the lower part of the scene, Facebook story part, there are something like others.1 or others.2. That means there are some people who have seen your story. They are not friends. So all you need to do is get over to Facebook's personal Facebook's help desk, and here just ask for to know who have seen your story that's not your friends. Facebook might answer you within 48 to 72 hours, and yeah, then you can know who viewed your Facebook story that's not friends of yours. Hope this video will help you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.